Hey, your blood looks a little messy. Don't worry, I've got this.
Step aside, I'm the immune system's secret weapon. Bacteria? Virus? Not on my watch. Attack squad!
Whoa, these arteries are getting tight. Relax, I'll smooth things out. Healthy flow restored, your heart will love this. Low energy, that's a red blood cell problem. Time to build more, stronger, and faster. Fresh blood coming right up. You're running low on energy. Good thing I'm here, charging your muscles. And oh wow, feel that boost? Let's get moving. Vision getting blurry? I see the problem. Let me power up your eyes from the inside. Clear vision activated. Look sharp again. Too much inflammation. I can feel the heat. Let me cool things down nice and easy. Balance restored, feel the calm. Your brain needs protection, and I've got ya. Shield up. No damage getting through here. Think faster, feel sharper. Whoa, that cholesterol is out of control. Time to trap it and clean things up. Smooth and clear. That's how your blood should flow.
Your immune system needs backup. Calling me was smart. Boosting your defenses right now. Let's take down those invaders.